we're working today on the old Vanagon that y'all saw us rescue, and we'll put a link to that video somewhere around here. But today, we are working on this Vanagon Westie. We're gonna get it going, but we did something earlier. Whoops. So we'll see you back here in 2 minutes.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Good morning. It's early.
Hey, show a little enthusiasm there.
Good morning.
That's more like it.
VW Rescue Day.
Hey, it's 26 degrees, so what does that mean?
Time to go find a Volkswagen.
Yes, indeed. We are headed north to Alaska. Well, we're not going that far. We're going to Temple.
Oh, okay, good. I was like, I think that's pretty far.
Yeah, we're going to Temple to pick up a 69 Volkswagen bus.
That's right, a bay window bus.
Yes, a deluxe.
A deluxe.
Deluxe apartment.
Yeah, join us as we go get a bus, throw it in the trailer, and bring it home. Because you know what?
That's what we do.
That's what we do. I got it somewhere.
That's the red one.
Okay, I have a written down what like a key chart what these are, like a legend, like on.
Oh, okay.
So I'll know what all these are.
So we're gonna add a bay window to this right here, and we need a Vanagon.
So I figured we'd take time to talk about how we found this Volkswagen. So it is a typical evening. The old man is watching Gunsmoke, drinking him a Dr. Pepper, and he goes on the old internet and he sees this Volkswagen that gets posted. He goes, that seems all right. Hopefully it's not a scam. So he reaches out. 15 minutes later, we have a scheduled meetup 2 days later to go get us a nice 69 bus.
That's pretty much it. 69 deluxe bus. Looks like it's been sitting for a while. Needs a little love. You know, I mean, it's hard to see because pictures that people take don't always show you all what you're getting into.
Oh, it's right there. I'm sorry. My bad. Passed it. In the thicket.
It's in this bush. Wait, it's in there?
We didn't die.
No, it's up in the open.
No, it's right here.
Right. Oh, there it is. Oh. Oh, wow. She's a real beaut, Clark.
I've seen worse.
Yeah. Look at the cow.
Oh God, it's rusty. It's not on Wi-Fi's, Dad. We don't have the right rollers.
It's not on Wi-Fi?
Nope.
What?
The problem is that we brought wide 5 rollers, and it's a 71 with the smaller pattern wheels.
See, I had no pictures. Oh, Lord.
Oh, there's no motor.
But the flooring, too bad.
Yeah, it's got holes. I can see them right here.
There's part of the dash. Yeah, the coupler's all totally gone. I mean, we don't have to buy it.
No, we don't.
I mean, just, it's way more work than I thought.
I agree. You've got to know when to hold 'em.
When to hold them.
When to fold 'em.
When to fold them.
Know when to walk away.
Know when to run. You never count your Volkswagens when you're sitting in the driveway. You gotta...
Oh, wow.
Hey!
So we're back.
Wow. Time warp.
That was fun.
Man.
Let's do the time.
Sometimes you gotta know when to walk. And when we were rolling up, you guys said, I'm so glad we didn't bring that
Oh gosh,
home.
I am so glad. You know what? It would be perfect for somebody. It's not a good fit for us right now.
Exactly.
And so it didn't fit our needs.
So they said they're going to be patient. They're not going to crush it. They're going to find a good home for it.
Yeah.
So that's a good thing.
But that's okay.
Because we got this beaut right here, Clark.
Beaut.
She's a real beaut, Clark.
So what are we doing today?
Today is 80 Vanagon Westie RoadStoration Day.
Martin and Barry are on their way over a little later, but we're gonna get this guy in the shop and see if we can get it running today.
Yep, today is give the Vanagon Westie some love. The old blue here is gonna get some love. So.
Absolutely. God, this thing is clean. Ooh, plug wires.
So our first step is to actually just kind of clean out some of this old stuff that's in here that's not really needed. In order to do that, we're going to remove these kind of nasty curtains.
All right, we're gonna get this old battery out, and we're gonna try putting this new battery in. And we know this battery works. We use it all the time. It's actually our winch battery, VWLIFE. So we're gonna We're gonna put it in and see what we're cooking with.
The lights on and the dome lights are on.
Oh my God.
Are we gonna try to start this right now, boys?
It's a little bit different because look, here's the control pressure regulators over here. It's a little different, but super cool.
This looks like it's got a crack in it, so we have a vacuum leak right
We
here.
have a fire for sure right there. Here's our fuel rails.
I wonder if that,
Cold start.
I wonder, is there a way to verify, has it got a belt on it?
I was gonna look and see. If it did, we just need to take it off.
If it's, yeah, pulling a
Does
drag on it.
not look like it does though. All right, we got power.
We should have got that one at the beginning.
I don't know if it's a good one, but if it's awesome, let's make it happen.
Red top, it looks brand new. Try to start that, Jake.
Then I can get the carpet out.
All right, we got the third battery in there. Let's do that.
We're gonna try to take this headliner out of here. So
You
we
got a
can
couple at the front too.
so we can repair it. There's nothing holding this thing in.
Oh, there's one screw.
All right, so right now we're taking the headliner out and we're gonna put up a nice piece of nice fresh Baltic birch in there because it's kind of got all this like insulation and stuff up there, and we just want to clean it up, make it look a little more professional. They call me the Vanagon guru now. I knew you had to take the seats out the back, but I let them all struggle and figured it out. But to take a Vanagon seat, the passenger seat out, it had to go out the back.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, we'll try to get this out in one piece. The top of it looks in decent shape, so I think we can draw off of it. We're gonna have to take this side out first, I think. Like that.
There's wires on your
Yeah,
side.
you gotta get your wires loose. Did you get it, Gary?
Yeah, I got it.
Take the battery out.
There you go.
Here, hand it to me.
Yeah, got that one. You got it.
Don't mind. It's in great condition.
So we'll be using this as a template to make our new panel.
Yeah. What is this?
That's.
There it is.
That was your power.
Yep.
What was that?
We got a pot. It moves.
Can
some
you
air.
feel it?
Yeah. Is it moves?
Sucking or blowing?
It's sucking air.
That's awesome.
I
Badass.
can't get my hand off.
Okay, so we've got some old plywood under here, huh?
Yeah, it's just a
Rotted.
Rotted plywood.
Oh, come on. Get... It's
I mean, it's gonna break out, is what I mean. You don't even need to remove the stuff because it's so brittle.
but we gotta splice it. Figure a way to splice in there.
Okay, what Martin's doing is we're removing this bench because the plywood underneath is rotted. So we remove the bench seat, pull it out, and we're gonna go grab a new piece of plywood and put that down.
We still gotta be careful of it. It's back there still. But...
Yes.
All right, good job, guys. It's coming right out.
Okay.
Look at that. OG, right, Gary?
Oh, gee.
That's the original pattern, right?
The
Yeah,
year
it's-
was 1980.
The year was 1980. I was a young man, full of vim and vigor in 1980 when this little jewel rode off this assembly line. If I only had this then, there would probably be 100 little Jakes running around the countryside.
What are you talking about? There probably are 100 little Jakes running around. Just begging to know who their father really is.
Uh-oh. Old school. July 3rd, 1992. Put 12 gallons of gas in.
Martin's looking-
How much was a gallon of gas in 1992? All right, you ready? $1.36 a gallon.
And we'll order that this
This
week.
is going to be masonite. I think both door panels.
Do you want to pop them off and vinyl them? Do we want to go to that route?
Hey, what are we doing?
We're going to accomplish lunch.
We're here at Lowe's to pick up the wood that we're gonna need for the interior. Well, we were gonna use this stuff, but now we're gonna make it look awesome with this stuff. Yeah. This will be easy to work with.
Oh, this is gonna look good.
Beach vibe, bro.
Beach vibe.
All right, hold up. Get it over my head.
Perfect.
Okay, so what we're doing is we've taken the old top roof section and we're going to use tape to tape it off. So when we're cutting through tape. All right, well, the tape really, I don't think we need to do the tape, but we did get the piece cut like we wanted. We're looking good there for the roof section, so now we're going to move on to the slider door section. Gary's got the whole duty down there on the floor. And we've got that other piece of plywood that we bought at Lowe's that we got to get in here. Well, as you can see, Gary's got the hole cut out where we're going to be patching the floor panel right here for the passenger.
Well, yeah, it's a preliminary hole, kind of see where we are. Then I found some more Swiss cheese, so I got to cut a little bit bigger, but at least we know what we're working with. The good news is, see, you have that frame rail there, so probably going to go like this now, Matt Jackson, to take out that Swiss cheese there.
So we got it working?
We did.
Oh, cool. It opens up?
Uh-huh. Fancy on Matt Jackson.
Wow, that's true RV life.
Yeah, that's it. That is.
Yeah.
Look at that.
The creature comforts.
Oh, I'm going to have to go put on a jacket. I can feel the draft.
I think it's
That's awesome. I need to do this in my split.
I'm cutting a hole in Jerry tonight.
Let's do it. Oh, let's order the fans tonight on Amazon.
Now we're just dry fitting the panels we cut.
Over.
That's it. Yeah, I like it.
What do you guys think? You like the home paneling, the wood paneling?
Yeah, I think that'll work.
It looks really good.
Yeah, and these should be fairly close to center on that, so the screw should go in anyway.
It's easy to work with. It's fairly
Eighth
cheap.
inch.
Well,
Has to be
you
eighth
know
inch.
where you're gonna get front door panels for $10. Front door panels and slider panel.
Yeah.
Golly, that looks really good, guys.
Yep.
Y'all did a nice job.
man.
So
all this stuff
old
was-
Barry's been working, getting this old subfloor out.
Well, I was trying to make sure that we got it out without breaking it, so we had a template.
Yep, and so
And it's super frail right here.
it's about had it. So let's see what happens.
I think I already got all that. Yeah, so I already cut all that. I'm nice. And
Yep, nice, good cut. Holy smokes! Look at that.
That's
Woo.
amazing.
That is actually pretty fancy in there.
Wow.
Wow.
That's crazy. Look how nice that floor is.
That's beautiful. Considering we have a hole up there, I count ourselves lucky.
Yeah, that's really nice.
This door is much cleaner, as you can see. That's what it used to look like. So, making progress cleaning off all the gunk. And now we find out if it fits. Hopefully Tommy measured correctly.
Yeah, right.
If not, Martin did this, is that what you said?
Oh, gotta trim it a little bit.
Okay, so we need to trim like right here.
It's just that same.
Alright, we are drilling in the subfloor. We're going to put in screws to hold it down. This time we would like to feature all the people that have VWLIFE shirts, don't we, Tommy?
Oh man, we got some cool ones that can send us some pictures of their VWLIFE or their chum bucket or what was the other ones? Compass lunch. Those were rad. We should put those up for everybody.
Yeah, we'll flash those up right now, guys. It's always great seeing you VWLifers out there with your Volkswagen.
Yeah, thanks for doing that, and continue to send those to us. And every time you send them to us, we'll post it up. It'll be cool. I think it'll be a cool little feature. Boy.
Get those edges real good too if you can push your camera out.
Get on the other side and push down in the middle.
Step on it.
Yeah, work your way out for a second. There you go. Yeah, I like that.
Just tell me when we get to the edge.
We're good.
We didn't get to start it today, but maybe next time, guys. Sorry about that. All right, in goes the bench seat.
Go slow, because I got that. No, go slow, go slow, go slow. Hold up. I gotta get in here. That's it.
No. Okay, yeah, yeah.
Hop, hop. Okay.
All right, the slider door panel is right there. The two door panels are right there.
Passenger and driver.
Passenger and driver, those will go in next time. Looking so good.
And then we got the headliner there, but that's not going to fit here.
Yeah, we'll put the headliner up in the cargo area, along with the front seats, because I don't think we're ready to put those back in yet either.
How's it going out there in VWLIFE land? Well, today was quite a day of working on the 80 Vanagon Westie.
385th.
And 385th Vanagon Westie ever built.
That's pretty strong.
That's awesome. It's always a day of discovery when you start tearing into one of these, because it's all we had done was brought it home on the trailer and put it on the driveway. So today we really got in here and started compiling a list of what we have to do on it. And then we started making some great headway. We already got a nice subfloor put back in. All the panels are cut for the slider and the two door panels in the ceiling. Headliner up there. We got a nice cover on our fan up there. And I cut a big hole in the floor. Martin's happy with that.
Why is it so breezy? Like, we're driving down the road.
It's like boomer.
Hey, right now, look, think about the airflow. It comes right there and right out the vent.
Yeah.
Yeah, we didn't have a chance to start. We'd always love to see a will it start, will it run, and get a drive around the block once, but maybe that'll happen next time. Or
Yeah, we didn't really focus too much on mechanicals today. Today was more kind of like body work and stuff like that.
Cleaning.
But we do know it turns over. This is going to be a really nice little ride for somebody, and when it's done, it'll be posted up. We'll let y'all know when. The blue, this thing's gonna have a beach vibe.
it's gonna have a beach vibe. We're
Yeah,
gonna come up
the
with a name
beach
for it.
baby blue
Vanagon.
beach bus.
The beach bus. It's gonna have a nice beach vibe. So thank y'all for joining us today. Make sure you tell your aunts, tell your uncles, tell everybody you know about VWLIFE. Go out there, get you guys together, start working on one. Spring is coming, and it's camping weather and beach weather, and that's what it's all about. Just having a good day, putting some time in on your Volkswagen. And like we always say, today was major, but it was an awesome major. But it doesn't have to be major every day. Just little things, one thing a day, will get you where you need to be.
Later, guys.
Thanks, y'all.